children, welcome to Aisha's Young IS. So our today's session is related to EVS, that is Harvest Festivals of India. So today we are going to discuss various harvest festivals which are celebrated across the country. So let's start. Can you think of the festivals which you celebrate with your friends and family? Yes, we do celebrate a lot of festivals throughout the year because India is a very cultural and a diverse nation. So are the festivals. Diverse means having a large variety. So India has a large variety in cultures and festivals also. There are many Indian festivals. Let's recall them. Diwali. Yes, it is also a festival that we celebrate. So next one is the festival of colors, that is Holi. And after that, Raksha Bandhan. Then Ganesh Chaturthi, very popular in Maharashtra. We have another festival, that is Eid. And then Christmas. So the festivals that we discussed are also called as cultural festivals or religious festivals. Why? Because they are based on certain cultures. These festivals are dedicated for patrons, gods, saints and particular beliefs related to any religion. So patrons means protector, a helper, okay, a supporter. So these festivals are either dedicated to patrons, gods or saints. It means it is related to a certain belief. So in India, people celebrate all types of festivals with great enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means interest. Festivals have become integral part of a national heritage. Okay, heritage is something which has been passed on from one generation to the next generation. That is something, a quality or a belief which has passed from your parents and grandparents to you. So some festivals are national festivals that hold national importance and is celebrated with great patriotism. Patriotism means love for your nation, for your country. Okay? Do you know any national festivals? Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th January. Okay, so this is our national festival. Another festival is Independence Day, which is celebrated on 15th August. Then we have Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. So these were the examples of national festivals, which are also called as secular festivals. So now we come to know about religious festivals and national festivals. Okay, do you know India is very rich in agriculture because agriculture is very important in India. Most of the rural population is dependent on agriculture. Rural population means people living in villages. Okay, rural means an area which is more like a village. So village people are very much dependent on agriculture. And today, India is the second largest producer of rice, wheat and other products. India ranks second in the world for producing rice, wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, vegetables, fruit and cotton. So being the second largest country means we have various techniques for agriculture, and also in our country farmers contribute a lot to the agricultural sector. Okay? In agriculture we harvest the crops. What is harvesting in agriculture? Do you know the meaning of harvesting? Harvesting means gathering of a crop. When you gather a crop from the fields, it is called as harvesting. Harvesting is the process of gathering of a ripe crop from the fields. A ripe crop means a crop which is fully fertile, which is completely fertile. Okay, so harvesting is the process when farmers, they used to go to their fields, they check whether the crop is fertile or not, whether the crop has been ripe or not. if the crop has been grown or ripe, so they collect those crops, which is called as harvesting. Okay. So in India, agriculture reached its climax because of the fertile land which was available to us. Okay, so the fertile land improves the quality of the crops which have been harvested. Okay, so the cultivation has improved because of the fertile land. Also, in ancient India, barley and wheat were the major crops, and then later on, people discovered many techniques for cultivation. Okay, so other than national and religious festivals, there are seasonal festivals which are also called as harvest festivals. Okay, so basically, a harvest festival is an annual celebration. Annual celebration means a celebration which is conducted at the end of the year. Annual means something which is there at the end of the year. Okay. So harvest festival is nothing but an annual celebration which occurs around the time of the main harvest of a given region. It means when the crops are completely harvested in a particular season. This happens from a particular area to another area. Okay, time may vary. So if in an area crops are harvested, then harvest festival it is the time of the harvest festival. Okay, so given the differences in climate and crops around the world, harvest festivals can be found at various times at different places, because in different places crops get harvested during different times. So the time of the harvest festival may vary from regions to region. So harvest festivals are not just about celebrating ripe crops. They are also important for astronomical changes which are related to astronomy, that is in the solar system. Changes which are going in the solar system. So they are considered to be auspicious periods and hence are marked with celebrations and prayers. So harvest festivals are not only about celebration of the crops which are ripe. No, it also includes astronomical change related to sun, moon, earth and planets, okay, which are happening in the solar system. So the harvest festival period marks the ripe crops as well as astronomical changes which are very auspicious. So every year we have a harvest festival. Why? Because this is a time of the year when all the crops have been harvested. It is a time when all the crops are harvested. So harvest festival is exactly a celebration of the food grown on the land. Okay, it is about the food which have been grown on the land. Thanksgiving ceremonies and celebrations mark the successful harvest which have been done since ancient times. Thanksgiving ceremonies have been done since ancient times. So this is the importance of harvest festival. Okay, it is celebrated because of the food which has grown on the land, and it marks the ceremonies which are celebrated worldwide.